Finalizing floor plan. Basic floor plan, how to build part 2 of 2. This is a video lecture for the effective use of AutoCAD commands to finalize a basic 2-story floor plan. Drawing needed for this project. The floor plan drawing, A3 title block, furnitures and fixtures downloads. Objectives. Number 1. Finalizing floor plans. Number 2. Inserting title block. Number 3. Using proper scale for the floor plan on A3 bond paper. And number 4. Converting that drawing to that PDF. The first objective is to finalize the floor plan, and that is to hatch the columns, this one. Also, we can insert now the furnitures, and at the same time we can add layers for the furnitures. Based on our guidelines for AutoCAD, we can use furnitures and fixtures, which is at color gray, and for the line weight, we are using 0.09. All we need to do is to follow that. So we have here the furnitures having a gray line color and having 0.09 for the line weight. All I need is this one, a title block, and also we need the site for drawingmodel.com interior furnitures. This is the site where you can download your furnitures features that are needed to the project. You can select only the free, or if you can afford, you can buy the furnitures at an average of $5 and $6. So now, at our drawing, we can first hatch the different columns, but first we have to detail it by removing some of the lines that are not included on the columns. I will going to use the dimension layer to hatch the columns. So proceed to Home, Hatch, select the pattern, then you can select all of the columns. So later you can change the angle and scale for your hatch. Since our hatch is very compressed, we can set our angle to 10. Okay, and I think that's enough for our plans. So now I can download the furnitures needed for our projects, and those are the following: the sofa, the office furniture plan, because some of the office furnitures plan are needed in our projects. Also, you can search here. You can type on the search site bed to find the furnitures for the bedrooms. Okay, so we can use this one. So you have here beds plan, and that is free. Okay. All you need to do is to click that one, and you can now download it, and it will give you a drawing file. Just click it, and it will going to open on your CAD. Okay. Since the layer is using black, but first you check if the layer is unlocked, and you can change the color of that one to white. Same with this one. So this is the beds plan that you have recently downloaded from the internet. You can choose either of the given beds here for your project. So let's say we choose this one for your project. So all you need to do is to write a block using this one, and that is W block. Enter. Then base point, let's say this is your insertion point. Then for the units, select this one, from the object. Then we can just use the desktop for the path, and we can use now beds as the file name. Then hit save. Then check if the units is in millimeter, then press OK. Okay. Then proceed to your basic floor plan. Then now you can now insert it using the insert command and click more options. We're going to browse your beds, and you have saved it from the desktop. So this is your beds now. Then press open. Check first your parameters and specification before you click OK. So this is now your bed. If you notice, it is correctly scaled. Okay, and we can now change the layer of this one using the furniture's layers that we have selected. For our living room, again, we can find sofas and table on our site, which is the drawing model again. So we can type here sofa. Okay, you can choose this one. This is a living room furnitures, and again, that is free. Okay, so all you need to do is to select this one, and you can change the layer for that. Okay, you can choose any furnitures from here that you're going to apply on your project. So let's say you choose this one. So all you need to do is to write black. Let's say the name is sofa, then hit save. select your object, enter, then the base point. On your floor plan, again, click Insert, More Options, Browse on your desktop, then click Sofa. For our next step, we're going to find a furnitures for your kitchen. Next is garage. The next is for the toilet and baths. On drawingmodel.com, just type kitchen. And also you can find here the dining set. Again, that is free. You can click that and you can download that one. Open that one. Then the furniture is somewhere here. Since we are using a black background, you can select this entirely and change the layer to bi-layer. You can choose whatever dining set you want and you can W block it, then you can insert it on your basic floor plan. Let's say this one. We can use the center as the pick point for the base point. Then for the path, we save it on the desktop, then we name it dining set. Hit save, then press OK. On your basic floor plan, again you can insert the block by clicking Insert, More Options, then browse the dining sets. Since we have selected a large dining set, we can explode this one and we can delete one of the parts of our chair. For the garage, again, we're going to find a car on our drawingmodel.com. Just type here car and select a car with top view. Let's say this one. Oh, it is $5. Just find another one which is free. Most of the cars which are sports cars, it is expensive. It's worth $5 for each model. You can use this one, the Hummer H2, which is a free drawing model. Just click this one to download, then download the model. You can just block this one so you can insert it. Let's block this one. Select object. Use only the top view. Enter. Let's say the insertion point is here. Then name that one as car. Save. Check the units. It must be millimeter. Then press OK. So now you can insert your model, your car model here by clicking more options and finding the car model. Okay. You can rotate this one. For the last part, we can look for a table and bath furnitures. We can write black for this one. On your floor plan, again insert. So now we are done with our floor plan and we have now the furnitures needed for our project. Our next step is to apply the finishing touches to this one, and then we can block this on our layout one. Now we are done with our drawing. You can apply more detailed furnitures if you want, and you can insert more furnitures if you have a much larger floor plan. On your layout one, simply delete the existing model view. Right-click on Layout 1, select Page Setup Manager, Modify, For the printer plotter, choose AutoCAD PDF High Quality Print. For the paper size, choose ISO Full Bleed A3 297.00 times 420.00 mm. For the plot area, stick to layout. For the plot scale, you have 1:1, and that is 1 mm equals 1 unit. Then, for the plot style table, choose monochrome, then press OK, then close. I have here a title block. The first step is to block it by using wblock commands. For the base point, you can choose this one. save it on your desktop using t-block underscore fp. Then hit save, then press OK. Now you can insert it on your layout 1 of your basic floor plan. Insert. So you have now a title block. Then you can now type MV here. My advice is to use separate MV or model view for each, for the ground floor and for the second floor. Then we can scale this one. Let's say we can use 1:100. This one also is 1:100. We can change the parameter of this one. For the frame of your model view, you can set it to depth points. Then you can now apply label here. By using the text label as your layer. You can explode this one to change the activity name by typing X, enter, clicking the title block, then enter. So now we are done with our basic floor plan. This time, we're going to print it and convert it to PDF. Click this A icon, click print, choose continue, plot a single sheet, then preview it first. Okay, so this is now your output. Select plot, then you are now ready to convert it to PDF format. This is the file name and this is your file of type. Now it is a PDF format. Hit save. Then you have now a A3 layout in PDF format. This time you are now ready to print your project.